Hello and welcome to our channel. My name is Caitlin, and in this video I will be showing you how to make completely edible glitter strawberries. If you have made strawberries like this before, let us know how it went in the comment section below. When you see glitter covered strawberries, they are often covered in a non-edible glitter. Until recently, there were not many options for edible glitters that look and decorate like non-edible craft glitter. In this video, I will share with you what type of glitter to use and how to achieve an even layer. To learn more about us, be sure to watch until the end of the video. Let's get started. To start, I am going to prepare these strawberries by washing and drying them. Rinse the strawberries under cold water, then place on several layers of paper towel to dry. These drying steps are very important, as we will be dipping them in chocolate candy coating, and any moisture that gets into the chocolate will cause it to seize. Too much water or moisture added to the chocolate will cause it to be unusable. To assist in the drying process, use another paper towel to dab the water off of the strawberries. Allow them to dry for 30 to 45 minutes. After they have air dried, use another paper towel to dry them completely. Don't forget to dry the leaves. Set the strawberries to the side while we melt our chocolate. Be sure to cover your work surface with parchment paper, as this will allow for easier cleanup. Place white candy coating in a microwave-safe bowl and heat in 30-second intervals. Be sure to stir the chocolate after each interval. This helps evenly distribute the heat throughout the chocolate. Before dipping the strawberries, have your diamond dust and a thick skewer ready to go. Adjust the leaves on the strawberry so that they are out of the way, and then insert the skewer. Dip the strawberry in the chocolate, then gently shake to remove excess and scrape the bottom side on the edge of the bowl. Over a piece of parchment, immediately sprinkle the diamond dust all over the chocolate-covered strawberry. Be sure to do this step while the chocolate is still wet. Gently shake to remove the excess glitter. Carefully remove the strawberry from the skewer and onto a piece of parchment. Continue these steps until all of the strawberries are dipped or until the diamond dust runs out. The glitter used to decorate these strawberries is completely edible and will not affect the taste of the chocolate. It also does not cause staining on your mouth or hands. When the dust runs out, or once you are finished dipping, carefully fold the parchment in half and funnel back into the container. Allow the chocolate-covered strawberries to set up for 5 to 10 minutes. Serve these treats immediately or store in an airtight container in the refrigerator for 3 to 5 days. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and turning on the notifications. Your support will help us grow our channel and create more videos like this one. Do you have a different method for creating glitter-covered strawberries? Let us know in the comment section below. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to check out the Miscellaneous Desserts playlist on our channel. And be sure to comment below and let us know what projects you would like to see us create. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram to stay updated on our newest products, and be sure to check out our stories for upcoming projects. Our social media links can be found in the description box below. We love to see how you use products from our store, so be sure to tag us and let us know your opinions. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.